SEO is one of the most important aspects of any website success or failure. Having a properly optimized page with the correct titles, descriptions, keywords, and links is one of the best ways to rank well in search engines. This will be the first thing that shows up on Google's search results for a given page, and it is a vital SEO element. It should include keywords that are related to the content on that page. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP we will set the SEO title and meta description for your WordPress page using the Yoast SEO plugin. So without further ado, let's get into the video. In order to learn how to set up the SEO title and meta description of any of the pages on your WordPress website, what you can do is look on your left sidebar and go to pages, and from here add a new page, and whatever the new page is, you can set the title and meta description for that, or you can just go ahead and look at one of the already existing pages. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new page and set the meta description and title for that. All right, so let's just call it a sample page. From here, and as you can see, we have the Yoast SEO box popping up right here. When we scroll down, we have to be in the SEO section, and this is how the sample page would come in. This is the mobile result and this is the desktop result. So as you can see, we have the SEO title, the slug, and the meta description. So the SEO title could just be, all right. So one thing that you have to keep in mind is that the SEO title would be 70 characters. So it has to be up till 70 characters. If it's more than 70 characters, then it will get cut off from showing on the Google search engine results. All right. And your SEO title and the meta description both should contain some of the keywords. For example, if your page is about your company, then make sure that there are some keywords listed in your company from the content that is there on your page. So I'm just going to write sample page, Jaswin Walia. All right, and as you can see, as we move ahead till this green line is showing up, we are actually on the right track of keeping our SEO title under the character count that we want. And then we have the meta description. So over here, I can just write, this is a sample page for the website, Jaswin Walia. And orange means basically over here that I can add more things. In the meta description, you can go up till 160 characters, and that is the recommended amount of characters that you can put in the meta description. So it has to be a little brief. All right, as you can see, this is just one line. I will just go ahead and put in some things right here. So as you can see, I have written, this is a sample page for the website of Jaswin Walia. Jaswin Walia is a video content creator and a batch mentor with Team Learn Today. Click here to know more. Now, as you can see, this orange line starts to show up, right? But as I remove this is green. So if I write click here to know more, it starts to get cut off over here. As you can see, whatever we're writing here in the title and the meta description, it's starting to show up here as it would show if someone Googles our profile, or when our page starts to show up, or website about the website starts to show up in the Google search engine result pages. So I can just delete this, and as you can see, this will turn green. So green means that your the meta description can be seen like this, and the character count is just perfect. So yeah, we have successfully done this. What I can do is just go ahead, scroll up, and publish this. All right, perfect. We have successfully published this and you have successfully learned how you can go ahead and set up the SEO title and meta description for any page of your WordPress website. Hope you guys were successfully able to set up the SEO title and meta description of any given page on your WordPress website. I will be coming up with a lot of SEO and WordPress related videos, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or any other video that you would like to see on the Learn Today channel, feel free to go ahead and put that in the comment section down below. Go ahead and hit on that like button, subscribe button, along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Valia, and I will see you in our next SOP.